How's it going, everyone? Matt here, and today we'll be going over the Windows 10 anniversary update. Yes, it's been 1 year since the initial release of Windows 10. Over 300 million Windows users have downloaded the Windows 10 update, and this marks the first major change since that initial release came out. So without further ado, let's get right into the new features. The first new feature I will be talking about is Windows Ink. This is probably the biggest addition to the Windows 10 update, and it affects the Surface Book users. Support for Ink in Windows 10 was really limited, and now Windows Ink improves things quite a bit actually. It's basically a location to find built-in or third-party apps that are compatible with your stylus. You can write down notes, reminders, you can also just draw or doodle. It also comes with a ruler, which ensures you draw and write straight. The next thing we will be talking about is the new extensions for Microsoft Edge. We all know how Google Chrome allows for third-party extensions, and now that feature is finally coming to Microsoft Edge. The anniversary update brings support for extensions, and it's now up to third-party developers to fill Windows stores with the add-ons. These are very similar to Chrome extensions, and now you can get things like hdblog and 1Password. You can get extensions for that for Microsoft Edge now. Edge is also adding web notifications, which allows websites to send push notifications to Windows 10 Action Center. Also coming in this update is improved battery life with Edge, and they claim it's up to 70% better than some competitors such as Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers out there. Next up is improvements in Microsoft's digital assistant Cortana. Cortana debuted in Windows 10 last year, and it's bringing it to the lock screen now with the anniversary update. Now you'll be able to make notes, play music, set reminders, and a lot more without even logging into your user account. It's also getting more intelligent with the ability to schedule appointments in Outlook, or you can send friends a document that you were working on. Next up, we'll be talking about dark mode and user interface tweaks. Dark mode is basically exactly how it sounds. You turn on a switch and your computer will basically be set in a black theme. There's also a mode where you can also make your third-party apps that usually use a white theme, and you can change it into a dark theme. Also, part of the start menu, live tiles are now chaseable. This means that if there's a news story that's being presented and you click on it, it will take you actually to that news story and not just the news website. There are also improvements to the Action Center, and you can now get easy access to things like VPN, tablet mode, quiet hours, Wi-Fi, and more. They've also improved the system clock, where you can add a calendar with a list of your own events. Talking about the clock and calendar, now you can set your time zone automatically with Windows 10. Windows Hello was one of the best features added to Windows 10, and now there are even more improvements. Windows Hello uses a special camera which scanned your face and let you log into Windows without even using a password. Well, now you can use Windows Hello with websites and third-party applications if you do have a PC that supports Windows Hello. All you have to do there is sit there and let it scan your face or fingerprint, and you're signed in. Also, the Xbox One is finally getting Windows apps. Yes, it feels like Microsoft has been saying that forever, but it's finally coming true. Also, Microsoft will start rolling out an update to support Cortana on Xbox One, which is a big deal. Also new in Windows 10, a new universal Skype app for Windows 10 is going to be released with the update. The next thing I'll be talking about is Bash in Windows. Microsoft surprised the developer world when it unveiled Bash for Windows earlier this year. If you're a developer, then this is a big deal for you. It's essentially Microsoft is adding Linux command line to Windows 10, and it's a great addition for Linux developers that need access to all their tools on Windows. It's an optional feature, so you'll need to go in settings and enable but once it's set up, you can receive updates if Microsoft tweaks it in the future. You can now sync your phone notifications to your PC in this new Windows update. If you have a Windows 10 or Android phone, then you'll be able to use Cortana to sync notifications from all your phone apps right to your PC. You can also reply to messages, dismiss notifications, and you can also quickly send photos from your phone to your PC. The release of this update is set for August 2nd, 2016, and these are just some of the new features that will be included, definitely the most important. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe, and drop a like on this video. I'll probably have a follow-up video actually showing the features in use, so stay tuned for that on my channel, and until next time, have a great day.